Atlantic North magnet fishing here, and today I'm going across to Long Eaton in Nottinghamshire to meet David Jones, the winner of the prize. Now it was for the carp, but he's decided that he'd have a magnet as he's a new magnet fisher. So as the trains are on strike tomorrow, we decided that we're going to meet up today. So I'm going to be presenting him with his prize, and also we're going to go and have a fish. Okay, so arrived in Long Eaton area, and we're going to be doing a bit of magnet fishing on the Erewash Canal, and never fished here before, so I'll give it a go. So let's see what Nottinghamshire Derbyshire offers us. I've just met up with David, and he's the winner of the prize, so congratulations.
Thank you.
And down there from Online Magnets, and this video is sponsored by davesstore.co.uk, where you can get things like these gloves and personalised items. Go and check him out, please, it's well worth a look. So let's see the happy man unboxing his very first magnet
ever.
And he's fully set up. He's got all his cards and things. He's got a nice shiny sticker in there. And this magnet I had previously Loctited, so it's all ready just for the go. There you go. Look at that, that's what a happy man looks like.
Yes, mate.
Yeah, it's got nice weight to it. There's your rope in there. So he's got his online magnets, gloves. This was the starter kit that he's been and got. He's got himself an online magnets thing there, and there's some tubes of Loctite glue in there. There we go. Now I did actually put an extra Loctite in just so he's got it for future when he upgrades to another magnet in the future. But I think he's going to be very happy using this particular one.
Not bad for a starter.
And this is the X300, and it's 300 each side, and he's going to fathom out sorting the rope and that in a moment and going from there. This is David's day on the Erewash Canal. He's got a lovely little bridge behind him, and he's holding a double-sided clamp X300 online magnets magnet. He's tied off, he's got the orange rope, and he's going to go for his very first cast.
No longer a virgin.
And welcome to the hobby.
Here we go.
So he decided he wasn't even going to let go of the rope. So that's just what you call dipping your magnet.
Right,
so he's going to let go of the rope this time. There we go. So his first proper cast into the Erewash Canal, and we have not fished this area before. We don't know what's going to come out.
Could be something, could be nothing.
But you know what? Beautiful, it's sunny.
Not feeling, no.
And he's got his very first nail. Magnetic rock
And
a nail.
Bit of a nail and some more magnetic rock.
Nailed it on your first day. He's aiming over that way. So he's just doing a short underhand cast because it is quite a narrow canal, this one. And David is going to be joining us on Sunday for a fish down in Sheffield.
More magnetic rock.
Magnetic rocks.
Oh, a nail.
And another nail.
Right, where's that back?
So the bag's down there.
This one, yeah?
Yeah. And all the bits are going in that. Now casting the other way. All that's come off so far is a couple of nails and a bit of magnetic rock. We don't even know if this canal has been dredged, but again, that's the joy of just trying things.
Nails. A lot solid.
Wow. So it's just got lots of old repair nails, and
It's an unusual one, that.
that's a locking pin from something,
Some newish ones here, some really
and
old
various
ones here.
nails.
Mm.
So straight away he's just got stuff, so he's happy.
The first magnet, pretty decent. A good solid 9 out of 10.
There you go. And there will be a review left on the online magnets.co.uk page for Miles to have a look at later, courtesy of Magnetic North Magnet Fishing.
See that good spot there, so I'll try it again.
So he's got his new fit gloves on. He's got his hat, but he's decided he's going to shape it first before he wears it.
More nails.
And again, lots and lots of nails, but he's cleaning the environment. He's quite happy.
Find a penny, pick it up,
Oh,
roll
look
it
at
on,
this.
and get good luck.
Hang on, it's penny. It's a penny dance time, mate. It's your first penny dance. So what is it?
A 1p piece.
So he's new to the hobby and he might not know about the penny dance. So the penny dance is, I've got a penny, penny, penny.
1999.
Is he going to do it?
No, I don't do dancing if I can help it.
Oh, well, there you are.
But yeah, the first penny. The first bit of treasure.
That's it.
That one, lady's penny.
Oh, well, we'll see if he'll dance a bit on Sunday, because I'm sure he's going to find some money then as well.
Oh yeah, might do.
He might do, he says. And he's got his what we call a nail pit and just magnetic rock. But there's some very old nail.
I can say one thing. I've nailed it.
And all that is just going straight into the bag, keeping the environment nice and clean. There we go.
Try that spot again. Might get some more nails.
So the unusual thing is here, there's a lot of nails, but it's a stone bridge which didn't require any form of repairs.
Might have been from the lock.
But just down there we've got one of the old original locks, so there could be old repair kit bag that's been lost. Yeah, so he's definitely dropped onto an area that's full of nails. So if you hold that up, oh look, we've got a punk rock magnet there, look, with a mohawk. Hedgehog!
put a little creature on here.
Yeah, that'll be from going back in.
Madness.
So yeah, that's what a punk rocker magnet looks like. Oh no, he's just literally bridged it.
Magnet's been in one piece, that's all good.
Yeah. Don't worry, they will scratch, they will get a bit of the chrome plate come off them.
If I don't, I'm not doing it right.
So yeah, you know what, I tree it, but David bridges it, so I'm going to say he's not going to be fishing next to the bridge on Sunday because we have got a metal bridge. But he's new, so you know, we all make mistakes. It's how we learn not to do it. He's got his very first bolt. There you are. Nice.
Some more magnetic rock. Here's a new bit of this thing. Shifty scrap.
Yeah, so we just got to this area and we have seen small amounts of debris that had been left. So he's just cast on the other side of the bridge and he feels that he may have something in there.
A bit tighter than molasses. How would you bet it? More nails? Magnetic rock.
Yeah. So this particular canal was completed in 1779 and its last cargo that travelled down the water officially was in 1952. So it had quite a lot of use and officially it was closed off in 1965. And it's got a bent nail.
More money.
And it's got a 2p.
No, it's like a 10p.
Or is it?
Haven't you get rid of the source?
So it's got a small bracket there.
Another clasp.
A little hook. He's in the money.
More.
Just normal detritus.
Nonsense.
And on this one,
Give it clean.
what is it?
I think it's a 10 pence.
So he's got his a 10p on his first magnet. He has.
Yeah, it's a 10p, but it's not spendable.
It is spendable.
Is it?
It's a legal tender. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's a new one as well.
Yeah. So all he's got to do is get
Get it clean up.
a clean on that, and is now at 11 pence.
Yeah.
How jammy, 11 pence. Most people only get 2 pence when they're magnet fishing. So it is windy here today, but he's loving this.
I've been wanting to do it for years.
And now he does.
Yeah.
So, shout out to Nigel of Northants Magnet Fishing.
If it wasn't for Nigel of Northants, I wouldn't be doing it.
Because, what did you do? You clicked onto his channel and you started watching his
And I've
videos.
watched every video since
So, here we are, Nigel. You've got a fan here.
Since about 2019, I think.
There you go. So, and now he's finally fishing.
And now I watch all Outcast.
And shout out to Peaky Dippers. Shout out to Dudley Dippers as well. And on that one, it's just got a bit of a bar.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It's probably part of an old electrical connector.
Yeah, another nail. About it.
So, shout out also to Rusty Magnets over in USA. To 10 Magnet Fisher USA. Shout out to Welsh Adventures and more. Go and check them out. So we've seen that there's definitely something there. We'll see. Oh, look at this.
I'm raking it in. Bit of cast iron.
Just a bit of
Decoration,
cast,
I reckon.
yeah. Bracket fragment maybe.
More magnetic rock.
And a very leaky rake. There we go. It's cruel, but I was actually hoping he didn't notice that and just get canal water all over him for his first bath. We all had a first bath as well.
That way.
Be funny if you did.
Whoa!
Oh, what
Bike
nice! Cog. He's got a bike cog. That's been down there some while.
Oh yeah. 5-speed.
Nice. So, look how happy he is.
I'm glad to get it all out of the bloody out of the water there. Nothing worse than going normal fishing and getting caught on metal.
That's it.
Good spot though, isn't it?
So we was going to be fishing tomorrow, but we've noticed that there's a national train strike, and as we're both on public transport, it was altered to today. And yeah, we got nice weather, and we're at the end of January in 2023. So yeah, we can't really complain with the weather, it's great. And he's just got some more nails out.
Yeah. A bit of magnetic rock.
And again, that's all getting bagged up.
How far is it? Look, that's why I know it's heavy, but not.
So, what do you think of the gloves?
Comfy.
There you go.
And they stick well with the rope. So I know some of this rope can get really slippery when it wants.
It can, yeah.
But with these gloves, they've got a decent grip on them, so yeah.
They are. He's very happy with the full start-up kit. So you know what, he's cast out to this area here, just onto the other side of the bridge, because all we were getting on this side was magnetic rock, and now he's actually getting fines. Not on that time, but
not on this one.
you know what, it just shows that people have been dumping on the other side of this particular old bridge here. And it is quite an old construction looking at it. Stone capped, and it's early brick. So this bridge could well be Victorian. So filming from a different angle. Oh. Oh wow, he's got. So hang on. Shout out to Dave, Adventures with Sonic. What he's actually got here is something that I recently made a mistake of and I dumped. It's a railway shunter's hook.
Oh, interesting.
That's cool.
That would work in right what we was on about earlier with that path.
Yeah.
With the old.
So we had suspicions that there was a railway running up here.
Oh, get off.
These are actually quite rare finds. So very, very well done on that one. So he's come on to this side now because he's very happy that he's got that hook. He's got something.
I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I've got something. It's like an hammerhead.
Hammer time!
Oh, claw hammer.
Yeah, so he's got a very early claw hammer
very
there.
rusty claw hammer.
There we go.
Some might mistake it for a gun, but it's not.
It's a hammer.
Definitely an hammer.
And a couple of nails. What's that ring he's got? Oh, and he's actually got himself a key ring loop as well.
I thought
Sweet.
I thought it was normal ring, but it's not.
So I've just had the cast in, and I've got a ding ding, another ding ding, a nut, and a bit of a nail, and a ball bearing. So I've just cast in again, and I've got a butter knife and an old spam key or a meat product on the lid. So he's currently going to have a try of the Evo 60. This gets him used to different magnets, so he gets a bit of experience in what he's doing, ready for when he does upgrade. And on that one, it's just got a couple of nails or springs.
Two nails.
Nails.
A U-nail. See what we got on this one.
And on this magic one, he's just got
More nails.
another one of these.
Oh, they're off the scissors you found not long ago.
So this is a scissor handle, just there,
And a load of
nondescript and a few bits of nail. So he's having another cast, and then he's going to go back to his own magnet, get used to it a bit more, and he's already said as well that he feels the difference in the ropes. So this green rope, in my opinion, is definitely the best rope at the moment for the online magnets range. And just on that one, he's got magnetic rock, and he's looking very puzzled about it. Okay, so he's going to try a different angle. Nothing on that one. So David's just cast in and he's bringing up what looks like magnetic waste. Oh, it's not. It's not.
An old Zippo lighter.
Let's turn it round a bit. Yep, there it is. There's where the wheel would be, look, at the top.
Right there. Nice.
Wow,
find.
cool.
And a load of
Just magnetic rock,
and some
nails.
That's about it. That's a nice little find, that.
That's cool. He's just had out. I can't see which camera. Right, oh, there we are. Yeah, he's just had out this nice door key as well. Look, key's a key, and that's all cool. And we've had a butter knife earlier as well. And just come out, we've just had this bit of a motorbike fragment, and we broke the big bits down to go with us. So just showing you the area we've been. It's down here, all here. This bag's going with us, everything else is away. The bits of scrap we found is also away. Nice and clean, just how it should be. Just there.
Leave it if you find it.
And he's just having a break. So we're going to move down a tiny bit, pick a new location. We've had a couple hours here and definitely David's enjoyed it. So he's now officially a magnet fisher, and this is Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. And we've just spoke to a local member of the public, and they was also very happy with what they seen, and all scraps removed. So we're going to walk down and do a bit further down. So back with you shortly. So we've walked down the canal a bit and we've just come across this old Victorian style bridge. At the back of this Victorian bridge we've got this old chimney and this foundry type building. Now in this area that there was bricks made, that there was lace production, there were also tool works and loads of different types of factories during the 1860s. Now that is well built, and on the top of that you can see how much smoke's come out over the years. Wonderful. We've got a swan here that just decided that it wanted to come and just be here, you know, because it can. And we've got a lock down there. Such a beautiful canal area. So I was going to fish that area there, but I'm rather tired, and so is David. So we're going to have a general walk along the canal and just see what's what. But yeah, absolutely beautiful area, and I'll definitely be returning out here again one day. So this is Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. Yep, Lee from Magnetic North here.
And Dave from Longeater.
And we've had a good day. We'll just have a walk down the canal now. We've done quite a bit. We've had a fair bit of walking and exploring. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and bye for me. And
bye from me.
And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.